In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Bluehost account. This is a crucial step if you're looking to host your website on Bluehost but have purchased your domain from GoDaddy. So, let's jump right into it. First, we need to log into our GoDaddy account. Go to the GoDaddy homepage and click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your username and password and then click the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the section labeled My Products and click on it. This tab is where you'll find all of the domains associated with your account. Now, navigate to the specific domain you intend to connect to Bluehost and click on DNS to enter the DNS management area. This is where you'll update the name servers, a necessary step to point your domain to Bluehost servers. Scroll down until you find the Name Servers section. It's usually found at the bottom of the DNS page. You might notice that the name servers are set to the default GoDaddy settings. We're going to change these. Click on the Change button next to the name servers. A window will pop up prompting you to select a setup type. Choose Custom from the options provided. You're now able to enter new name server information. Here's where we pause with GoDaddy for a moment. Next, we need to gather the name server details from Bluehost. So, let's log into our Bluehost account. At the Bluehost homepage, click Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Domains tab in the Bluehost dashboard menu. It's located at the top of the page. Here, you'll see an option for Domain List. Click on it, and you'll find the name servers listed there. Typically, they look something like ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. Now, we switch back to your GoDaddy account. Enter the Bluehost name servers in the provided fields. Make sure you input them correctly because a typo here could prevent your website from functioning properly. Once you've entered the name server details, click Save to apply the changes. Now that we've updated the name servers on GoDaddy to point to Bluehost, it's important to understand that these changes might not take effect immediately. DNS propagation is needed, and it can take anywhere from a few hours to 48 hours. Don't worry if everything doesn't update right away, this time is normal. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your Bluehost account. Be sure to monitor your website during this propagation period to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Thank you for sticking with me through this process. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care.